tres amigos.
They just came from Howler. Where you see the surf piling up there where the reef is. It's all along there. Looking for a turtle right there.
It's the surface.
Trying to get him to come up.
Loggerhead.
Hello. This is Tommy. He's stretched out in our styling room. There's air conditioning.
Tired diver after.
We did 2 dives today. Jeff's first night dive. There's our crapper. There's all our dive crap. There's our place.
There's the rules.
We get a shot of the rules.
More husbands only get that one.
We'll focus on this one especially. Something about Native women.
Here we are at Altunha, according to Tom's Ace. That means Rockstone Pond. Some cool little Mayan ruins. Do they let us go up there?
Yeah.
Weird. We're all over it. Well, let's go up the stairs.
We'll go and sacrifice you.
There's no virgins here. Except Thomas. Whoa. Here we are at the top.
Now we will conduct a sacrifice to the wind god so that we will have no wind and be able to dive.
The wind. For the divers of the world.
Hey, there's some brewski.
Look, an ancient Mayan beer bottle.
Whiskey.
1 barrel.
1 barrel. Rum.
Word.
Oh, wow, look at that.
This is a good view from here. And there's a native Mayan. Whoa.
some sort of golf course. They had a pretty cool one at Copan. They weren't really sure what the rules were, how they played, or what happened.
Mount Maya.
The Mayan.
Mayan temple. There's a face staring at us. There's a Mayan face too. Whoa!
This is Jeff going to use the facility. Some kind of a Mayan face thing going on there, and then we got this big temple. On the original stonework here.
That's kind of cool.
There's Tommy. They made. Okay, this is a tomb or something, I think.
The characteristic thing of all these Mayan structures is this arch here. I forget the name of it, but they all use this type of arch.
Huh.
It's kind of a... Oh, this looks pretty...
There's another one, this arch, right?
Jeff's
There's
heading
Jeff
up.
heading up. It's Mayans, but I see it.
What's in here?
There's some more.
Some more of the classic arches. I think this is where they had their little pep talk before the game. This is the home.
This is the dugout.
Home side, the visitor side is on the other side.
Shall we climb these stairs?
I think you can. Inside the temple, one of the classic arches there. I was telling Neil this is the visitor side. This is the home side. This is where they're prepared for their war games. Nah, I don't know. This out here, we're looking up the steps of... Whoa, Neil! He's a crazy man. He climbed all the way to the top of the temple. This is pretty cool. Mayan ruins of Altunha. There's the top of the temple up there. Look at those crazy guys chilling in the hot sun. I think I might join them in the trek to the sacrificial altar. Alright. Here we stand, high above the plaza. Just climbed ancient temple. It's the structure we initially climbed. It's the plaza down below. Let's have a look at the steps we just climbed. A little hard to appreciate, but it's pretty steep actually. Quite large, steep steps.
It's like rock climbing. It's Mayan climbing.
It's Jeffy. We're about to sacrifice him to the gods, so this wind will leave us. It's the midway temple spot. The Neilster. Here we are on top of the temple. This is the jungle out there.
Oh.
where Jane
That
and
one
Tarzan live.
cave that Ian Anderson had you go into, you actually start your rappel at the top of the canopy in the tree. The cave is 200 feet deep, but it's 200 foot across, and have a little deck, and you can climb right above it, I guess. Well, not enough on the
So the trail in the jungle out to the next group of ruinas or ruins. There's your friend Neil.
Scary. We're not afraid, we're men.
Yeah.
These are Mayan seeds.
Another Mayan arc.
Okay.
These are special trees here. They're the sangrientos. They you whack them and they bleed like a reddish color of sap. So they call them los sangrientos. It's the jungle out there. We're doing a tick check. The tree is bleeding. That's why they call it sangriento. Árboles sangrientos. Still in the jungle here. You can hear the jungle cries. There's the two adventurous heroes. Well, we're here in the Rockstone Pond. Yes, it is a little eerie.
There's a little fish in there.
This is where they gave the ruins its name. Rockstone Pond in Mayan means Altun Ha, supposedly. Supposed to be some crocs in here. There's one right there. Oh no, that's just Jeff. Let's see, what do we got?
So I want to jump in and kind of splash around and see if he comes off the bank.
I'm looking at a fine candidate right now.
Democratically. The majority will throw the minority.
Right in there. Off the trail. There's the fearless guys. I'm gonna walk over. Where are you? I don't see him.
Jump down in there and kind of kick around.
Did you see him, Neil? Yeah?
I saw his nose come up just for a second.
What's that?
Two nostrils come up for a second.
Really? I don't know.
See bubbles coming up still?
Well, there's bubbles from the fish and stuff too. I don't know which are his bubbles. Well, I don't see him.
Sure, desperate kneecap. Oh, wow. So brightly burned. Took the water taxi. Hold it, there's a sound coming out of the jungle. Is it an ancient Mayan? Is it one of the locals? No. Surfer Tom, he's lost.
Communing with Mother Nature.
Jeff Mayan. This is pretty cool stonework. Come up out of the temple. That's where they play football. Stick your face in there.
This is the ancient Mayan window.
It's a telephone.
So
Look at that
I guess
face,
they had
it looks
peeping
almost
toms
real.
in those days too.
I wonder how they make the...
Then they would put a picture over this hole and look through.
It would be a naked Mayan. There's Tommy atop. Let's see if we can go digital on him. Whew. I'll charge up our camera tonight. There's Jeff. This looks like some kind of a playing field. Almost, we got a structure there, big wide open field. Structure there. This is probably the MBA, Mayan Basketball Association. This is May 6th, this is Monday. This is a picture off the deck of our hotel. This is the main street of Belize. Everywhere we go, look out this and see if we can get out past the reef. There's our dive shop down there. Somebody's down there. And this is down the other side of the street. See if it's too windy today to get out past the reef. This way out there. Got a little chop out there. Not looking good. This is rush hour in Belize. School kids getting out of school. This is Jeff at our hotel. Let's get a picture. It's Coral Beach Hotel. Okay, this is our fancy hotel. There's a diver on the porch. Hi! Say hi to America. Yeah, we just finished one dive on the lighthouse. This is our two guides, Maxwell and Donovan. Some people we know from Texas. Let's get something to feed those fish. this is a Half Moon Key. It's supposed to be like Paradise Island. All trees. I'm gonna stop here and have lunch. We've done 2 dives already. Do a couple more. Some of the lads. 2 spectacular wall dives.
Yeah, we just hang out on Treasure Island.
Okay, here we are walking along the beach. Jungles.
The crabs. This is a hermit crab party. Let me go over and count them.
Yeah, let's go grab one and get the video of it. There's one right under your feet right here. There's 2 of them.
Hello, Mr. Crab. There we
There
go.
it comes.
Hi. That was plastic. Yeah, that was a little plastic.
Yeah, scrape off. Scrape the hand off of me.
Probably a good thing it's got the protective shell, huh?
Yeah, I think you're right. Thomas, it is the right thing. But see, that one's round. Those are not quite there. But the lighter brown ones are boobies.
Look at all these stinking boobies.
It's Hooters. I mean boobies. That's got to do news.
Where do we see the baby ones?
There's one on the right where that white one flew over.
Oh, not showing very good.
Oh, stuck his head.
There's a whole passel of them up in there.
That one's a booby.
We saw some nice boobies.
That's the rare poop tree. Well, they're not so rare around here.
That booty. There's the guy.
Lizard.
Lizard. Mr. Lizard. Where is he? There he is. to our whole crew. And this will be a little bit of a sunset. Sunset paradise. Yeah. As you can imagine, I kind of laid off it for a while. I did all my they're not hungry anymore.
Well, some part was deeper.
Some of those got awfully close, man. I saw one coming straight at me with his mouth just kind of made a turn right in front of me. I'm like, woo! Wow. That's a little.
Yeah, this is the Great Blue Hole. You can see the reef.
Two rays? Yeah, big ones.
Where at?
Down here?
Oh.
I saw two of them on our way.
Turtle?
Yeah, I saw two turtle. Turtle was down pretty deep.
Turtles getting hard before the people do?
That's a lot.
Okay, we're heading on a cruise to Lamini. What's his name again?
Ivar. Is that with a V?
Huh?
V? Ivar with a V?
Yeah, Ivar.
Ivar, it says you're the boss too.
Yeah. Ivar Marchand. Or Marchand, out of this world.
We're doing kind of a river trip. We're going to Lamini, is some Aztec ruins we're going to look at. He says we might see some crocodiles, monkeys, rare wild orchids.
What kind of flowers are those coming up out of it?
This is a mangrove swamp area. Ah! It's a jaguar.
Here's a iguana.
There's a big one.
Look at that. Iguana.
Green.
Oh, beautiful. I didn't see him. Good job.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look into my right. Green iguana. It's a female. Green
Yeah,
iguana.
let's get some close up on that one. Very bright.
Yeah, very, very bright. It's a young female.
Can't see it there.
Wow, look at that. That's cool. Never seen a bright green iguana before.
Food that enable them to get very good balance on top of the lily pads. Now we're going to kind of look at yellow under the wings.
Oh wow, pretty birds.
These are very what you call liberal birds. A lot of women like these birds. Guys, in the mating season, you got like 4 to 5 guys competing for her. Yeah, and each of the guys will make about 8 to 9 nests for her. And she will go around checking out the nests, which one is the best built nest. I'm relative to the Quetzal bird of Guatemala.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
What's it called?
Black-headed trogon. See the one to the back? It's pure dry leaves that they get from the ground,
termite
and they
nest.
stick it with your saliva. They have a very sticky saliva, and that nest there could be watertight.
Wow.
They will you see the little black things on the tree, the trails like? That's their trails. They don't like much sunlight, so they got them?
Back up
he
just a
found
little.
them. Can you back up a little?
Yeah.
I was looking in the water.
Okay, got it now?
Yeah. Or pull forward just a little bit.
Heavy. I got it. Okay.
Do you see this one all the time in the same spot?
Yeah, he's right here every time. Sometimes, whenever 2 or 3 boats pass, he goes down. Sometimes he stays. See, crocodiles are territorial, so we basically know where the area is. Sometimes they move, so we gotta be looking out for them.
How young is it?
That should be young, a couple of months, because when they're born, they're like 6 inches when they're born. And up to 1 year old, sit back.
This stubbed off one right underneath the, see where the big knob is hanging out? Go down on the underneath side.
Are they really little?
They're about this big. They look just like dirt.
I think I've seen them. They don't look like that.
See it?
Right under here?
They're gonna move right now. They're gonna move. Get them on camera.
Well, I don't know what you're looking at.
Right there. They camouflage us with wood.
Yeah,
I
cool.
think I can poke one.
You see them?
The cow, probably
See the
flat.
bare spot? They just look like
They will
more
eat
than
the
that.
same amount of mosquitoes as their own body weight.
Wow.
Yeah.
They
They
what?
come out at dawn and at dusk. And as you can see, they're well camouflaged.
Yeah, they are.
I can't. I still...
Oh, yeah. Look at the fish to the back there, guys. Buenas tardes, boy. Scoop. Tiene salto para 3. Ya, ve. Bomba. La bocona. A couple fish in the eye, going fast. Has no other relatives.
What's it called?
Limpkin, also known as the clucking hen, a local waterfowl. Before the domestic chickens were introduced, that's what people used to eat as chicken. These birds mainly feed on apple snails. The apple snail would float above the water, and they would insert their strong beak and break right to the top where the muscle is, and then they would rip the muscle, and then from inside of the snail shell, take it out. Design and the painting of potteries change as time goes on. Like here, you can see that you have one color on the pots in the pre-classic period, and then you have going on to the classic period, you see the addition of different colors to the pots, what you call polychrome. This is called monochrome painting. Yeah.
1,000 years to see that.
Yeah, hundreds of years after that. I was out of it. The Spaniards said that when they counted the Mayans, they counted about 50 Mayans in one canoe.
Wow.
Yeah, they were huge ocean-going canoes. And they had to paddle all the way from the Yucatan area and all the way to Honduras. And still do stops between Belize and Guatemala and things like that. But this fella here wouldn't do good for what you call a canoe. It branches out too early. He'd have to go more straight upward. He's pretty lucky, or he'd be floating right now. Here he's standing.
So these are good for making canoes.
No, not this one now. Two branches out.
What are they called?
Guanacaste.
Guanacaste.
Guanacaste. It's a soft wood. For you to cut it down, you'd have to use an axe. You can't use a saw. Have it sticky inside. Your saw will just stay right in there. Yeah. And
This is on our little hike over to the Mayan ruins of Lamanai. It's sort of a tropical area here. And more later. This is Tarzan's vine. This is supposed to be the rubber tree. They extract the rubber from this tree to play their ball game at the court, which we're on our way to see right now. So, the rubber tree. Coming up to some ruins over here on the right. What's this temple called?
It's called a mass temple. Mass temple. Now, these here are the original stairway of the first temple that was constructed here in 200 BC in the pre-classic period. And right up there we have evidence of the first building of a pre-classic structure. Then we have the second structure, which is that classic structure, which was erected in 400 AD. And then you have another one to the top dating at 600 AD. 3 different time periods and 3 different rulers coming here to build in the same era. And they did not destroy any of the previous buildings because they had a lot of respect for their ancestors, so they just built on top. So let's have a quick look, guys. Pretty amazing massive ruler. Not a god, a ruler. The gods, well, they really have a sense of how the god will look, so they will put them like deformed figures. Whatever they did on the left, they would do on the right. Then, in 600 AD, this ruler to the top decides to come back here again, 200 years later, and to construct right here again. What he did is he placed a stairway right here on both sides, and he sealed
Over the face?
Sealed the whole face. Right? Now, the archaeologists, when they were digging right around here. And when they began removing the stairway that was coming like this, all the way from here, they're going close, and as they went inside here, they found the remains of both a male and a female.
So on this side there should also be a face behind this rock, but the archaeologists only uncovered the side to the right so as to preserve what was to the left. So that way you can get a feel for what it looked like when they first uncovered it, and then how the rulers would build upon the old temples. This is the fearless Mayans climbing up to the top of the temple.
Yeah. Yeah. The other temple that we're going to right now is above the canopy. At one time we were able to go way to the top, but with Hurricane Mitch, we had a stairway, an access stairway to the back, and
So we're on top of the temple now, looking out at the lagoon. There's the fearless Mayans. And here's the steps that the ancient Mayans used to come down. There's even ruins that haven't been touched yet all through here. There's the fearless warriors.
technology that archaeologists are using for finding these structures is really amazing. It's what familiar the Air Force used at one time. It's called SLAR.
This is a structure that hasn't been
And
excavated yet.
They would shoot some radiation into the structure, and then from a computer, it could give them how inside would look and what formation it had.
This is called the give and take balm. These needles get under your skin, cause you pain, and you use the very same palm to get the sap out and rub it into that area, and it goes away. Interesting.
See it?
Cool.
Yeah.
It's like
These are a little stronger. Yeah. Better? Too high, too high. Got it?
no, I can't find him with this.
You can't find him in that? Follow the tree to your right.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, yeah.
You do that
Can't
for me
get
or
'em.
just for fun?
That's a single male.
I can
So-
see him without the camera, but
Yeah, probably there's another troop around here, and he probably wants to like enter the troop. And then if the dominant male responds him and he get by, you'll hear a big howling from both of them. 'Cause the dominant male of the other troop will tell him that it's their territory and he's not allowed in.
oh yeah.
Okay, there's another one up there. Yeah. Yeah. They have a baby, look at it, it has a baby.
Oh, right
It's a
there.
young couple probably. It's a young couple. And look, I don't know if they have, it could be on their belly now. Looks like it. Yeah, he usually have a baby on his belly. You see he has a baby on his belly?
Yeah, it does.
You got it, Neil?
I think that, well, no, that's just a branch, I guess.
Do you see the binocular? Got him? Oh, it's getting pretty loud, eh? Someone's getting pretty mad.
Huh, that's amazing.
Because most of the huge structures that are found in the Mayan world were constructed in the golden age of the Maya, what you call the classic era, classic period, 250 BC AD to 900 AD. Now for it to be constructed around that time meant that this city had some kind of wealth, significant wealth around that time. Now the archaeologists removed the central stone here and they went inside the structure and they found small little passageways. And in there they found a vessel that had an offering of a bird. And also they found another offering of 7,000 pieces of obsidian, volcanic rock or volcanic glass. And here we believe we don't have volcanoes. But definitely that had to come from the highlands of Guatemala or from the highlands of Chiapas, Mexico.
So there's a lot of trading.
Yeah, there's a lot of trading, that's right, a lot of trading. Now,
The stairs kind of stop short term though.
yeah, they were doing it. Yeah, three stairways. Now, the corridor to the top there, the archaeologists believe that this structure at one time could have had over 5 more structures added onto it.
Oh, you little. Back here we got it back up.
Down, upside down.
He's coming close, guys.
Yeah, there's one coming down the trail.
Yeah. Everyone, here's this, my baby one.
Oh, I'm right in the sun right there.
Hanging out.
These guys, oh yeah. Take it by force. Whenever you see them, they're most of the time sleeping. Some of them on the day they sleep on the street, and others sleep at night. They only go around when they're feeding. And these guys are not like the spider monkey where you keep going from branch to branch. These guys just walk across the land. The spider monkey they are mostly carbohydrates, so they're not active. That's why they always monkey around. Here we go.
I've never seen him so close up. I saw him about